Hey YouTube, Mike here. How we doing today? Hope we all had a good and safe week. Okay, today we're going to continue with more prototype stuff for my future work truck. I built a second bin to hold the Milwaukee totes, and then two shelves to hold loose, like hole saw bits and the boxes of stuff that would normally float around the truck. And then another bin on the bottom for two Festool totes that we carry into jobs. Mounted them, then built another bin for the systainers. This thing here, I actually saw on Ron Polk's channel on his Ultimate Rolling Toolbox, where he takes these, the Viewtainers. And you know, there's multiple different sizes, as you can see. These I just picked up from Home Depot. They're not exactly Viewtainer, they're called Clear Can. We've used them. They originally come with this bracket. And I mounted them to the side of the bins. And as you know, or as you could see, it's not very sturdy and they break. And then those Viewtainers end up rolling all over the truck. So what I'm going to do is I'm building this shelf that's, again, paper up, which is basically 14 inches wide by 24 inches tall, 9-inch shelves. It's just going to be 3 shelves, and I'm affixing it to the wood bin that I already have the systainers in. And I'm able to put at least 4, if not maybe even the smaller ones more, up at the top. And we keep those white anchors that you screw into sheetrock. We keep these things called escutcheons that cover the pipe. We keep faucet nuts, stuff that we use a lot of, and then instead of going into a tote or a bin, we just leave them into these Viewtainers. And I did go on Viewtainer, and I did order other ones that I'm going to eventually use with the big truck. I did finally find a truck, a 12-footer, but I need certain things inside of it. So the box has got to come special. It'll probably be about 2 months before I get the truck. Okay, just quick here, I'll show you something that I picked up today, which I have the corded version of this, but this is the Fuel brushless die grinder, 18 volt. We use a lot to grind down metal, and it was $199, tool only. Haven't used it yet, but have seen a lot of people that have used it, and it works very well. So I'll use it for a while, and then I'll let you know. All right. This is what we're going to use to mount the bin to the truck. 2 for the bottom, 2 for the sides. Not going to put it back on it because there's already a 3/4 plywood back in the truck. All right. So I'll show you this little trick thing. I use it for my models, and I also use it here. Basically, you pick up, you know, the styrofoam that they make, you know, basically get your plants with at plant stores when they make like a floral bouquet, fake plants or real plants. And they stick them into this. It also holds water. Well, this I use basically, as you can see, I use it for my models. I put something on to a large toothpick, paint it, hold it, that's what I manipulate it with, and put it in. But I also used it here, and I don't have it because I actually got rid of it, and I meant to buy another one. I buy them 3 inches by, like, I think it's 18 by 12. I cut it in half, and I glue it to a piece of plywood. And what I do is, if I have something that I need to finish, like just on, say, the edges and one side, because the other side's either going to be hidden, I take a dowel, like I'm going to do with a toothpick, and I shave the end down, and I actually drill a hole in the back of the piece of wood, glue in either 1 or 2 dowels. I'll do my finishing, painting, whatever, and then just shove it in, and it holds it there. And I can just pick up the piece of plywood, put it on the side, and let it dry. Or bring it into the air condition and let it dry, you know, inside. So it's a you know, quick little tip. Just that the inexpensive styrofoam, I think I paid probably about $6.99 for the styrofoam, and you get 2 pieces out of it, and I got almost a whole year out of it. All right, let me just throw this down, and we'll start the build. Okay, little shop safety. Remember, safety glasses, I wear mine all the time, and your hearing protection. All right, I'm gonna rip up everything on the table saw, and then I'm gonna chop it on the chop saw, and then we'll do some assembling. Okay, YouTube, let's make some sawdust. Okay, that is the sides, the shelves. And now let's do a little chop sawing. finally finished the floor. Didn't come out exactly the way I wanted to. This garage ain't perfect. My other house, my garage floor was so smooth. It was perfectly smooth. This thing, they must have left up the cover off when they were building and had water get into the concrete. And it flaked the entire concrete. But the rubber floor works nice. Not tracking any more dust inside the house. It can be mopped. This is just to hold it in until I get to sink in some screws. Again, those filler pieces, those random length pieces that I have, 9 inches. The shelves are 9 inches apart. That's my next project, is I gotta go through that bin and find all and put them together so I have them when I need them. I don't have to go spending so much time looking for them. Love these bags. You gotta put your hand in there real gentle. If not, it's like a mouse trap. And this is just something, I mean, you know, if you're gonna build this for your garage, you can dado it, pockets hole it, you know, with pocket screws. So far, everything that I built is working real nice. So I'm going to be doing it again for the other truck. Whoop. No one saw that. Fire. Got a little malfunction there. Oh. There we go. Just take them out. And it mounts right up against the bin of the truck. All right, YouTube. My other channel, the Renai Guy. I did 3 videos, plus the video that's on this channel of the install of a Renai tankless heater. But for some reason, I'm having problems loading videos. Tried all week. And my daughter's friend, who is my computer guy, they just came back from vacation, so he's supposed to either take the laptop today or tomorrow and see what's up, because he really started up Mike's Woodshop for me, and for some reason I can only get up to 65%, and then it just stays. I tried it 24 hours. So that channel I'm hoping to get up by Sunday night, if not Monday afternoon. That's Mike's, excuse me, the Renai Guy. So I'll let you know on the next video, but just keep looking for it on YouTube. Okay, anybody wants a Mike's Woodshop sticker, I'm going to include my email address, and just email me with your mailing address, and I will be more than happy to send you out a sticker. Also, my next video, I've been getting a lot of questions about, you know, people think I am a carpenter, just a lot of questions about my tools, where I get them from, my background, a lot of things. So I think I'm going to kind of do a sit down and kind of like answer a bunch of questions. Okay, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Again, thank you very much. I'm almost up to 1,200 subscribes now. And also, for any of you that are going to go to Festool Connect, I will be there on September 16th. I'll be leaving the 13th. I have to go to Renai and stop there, and then I'm going to head to Lebanon, Indiana, and I'll be there for Festool Connect. And if you're there, I'd love to meet who's ever going. All right, YouTube, again, thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a nice weekend. Bye-bye.